on the channel. I have done a Golf R. It is silver grey. You know it. If you have watched the video before, you know the sound of the Golf R. Now, yay! Shit! Golf R Vura Vripa. Yes. As you heard on the previous video, the Golf R Performance Pack making noise. This car is the beast unleashed on the road, on the highway, wherever you go. Right now it's on the parking spot. It grabbed my attention. It has the Akrapovic exhaust system, the one that won't run you to death on the highway. I'm talking about the 2x2 4-pipe exhaust system. It makes noise and it roars. We have to put it on a pedestal this time around for so much noise, for so much roar. And it's big street cred on the road. If you can see this clearly, this is a knife. This is the sharp end, the edge, the razor. This is a knife. It's a blade to this one. You can see it's an R of a blade, razor like. But I don't say that the letter represents a razor. You just say it is sharp, the sharp end. The mirrors, it's absolute. It's absolute. The car is an automatic. It's an automatic transmission, the car. The seats, it's a leather interior. It's luxurious. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. This car is so beautiful. And that brand of R on the seat, it's prestigious right now. Beautiful or something else, now it's prestigious. It has a parking assist. It has a parking assist. It's beautiful tail lights there. If the vehicle was lit, if the ignition was on, the lights would have been daytime running. It's like that VW thing of the lights are daytime running. Like here on this area, it's supposed to be lit, even though it's daylight. It's supposed to be running daylight. It's called daylight running lights. That thing. Here it is the bumper. Check this out. The space. It's packed. It's insane. We're focusing.